I'm Helen Fellers. I'm known as the Reading Rooster. I have books to crow about and books to recommend. This summer in San Francisco at the American Library Association conference, Scholastic gave out these wonderful book bags, Wild About Reading. And what a wonderful theme for summertime reading. Smithsonian has authored a book called Road Trip. It's a Penguin publication, and if you're taking a trip, this is a wonderful, fun-filled book to take with you. Another one that Penguin has done is Monstrous Fun, and this is a doodle and activity book. It's by Travis Nichols, and again, a great little accompaniment to your trip. Now, if your child is getting ready for the first time for kindergarten or daycare, Karen Katz, with a Random House publication, has come out with this grand little book, Rosie Goes to Preschool. And if it is the first time, this book explains so many of the activities. So your child will go to school prepared. And an oldie but a goldie about the same idea is Welcome to Kindergarten by Anne Rockwell. It's a Walker publication, and even though it is nonfiction and full of facts, it's a great little book for you and your child to read. Now, I'd like to give a shout out to Wendy Price, who was here in our center as GA. She's going to be the media specialist at Ballantine Elementary, Lexington, Richland, number 5. And another shout out to Dr. Heather Moorfield Lang. She's a new faculty member. She goes on the bus with Cocky's Reading Express and has been a wonderful addition to our SLIS family. And remember, keep reading 'cause it's cool.